Hello, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Kate and I went up to the Green Key Nature Center and Wetlands in Palm Beach, Florida to grab some epic wildlife pics. We enjoy being outside, going on adventures, using our cameras, and then making these videos for random internet strangers. And here we are. Kate was shooting on the A7 IV and I was using our GoPro Hero 10 to take all the video footage. And without further ado, enjoy the show.
Birds I've seen going anywhere ever. What's that guy?
Dave was very specific about birding slow today. So this is what we're doing, birding slow. Like Kate just said, there is a ton of birds here, man. It's way more alive than any other nature preserve that we've been to so far. We just met a fellow birder named Fred, and he was super nice, and I was just saying how most birders, not most, all birders have been just absolutely awesome people. And then he just offered us on his day off to like bring us to a bird place because he already bought a pass for it. So he was just gonna bring perfect strangers on a birding adventure. And I think that's really, really awesome.
A model duck, 18 babies for sure, maybe 19 or 20.
I've never seen
I counted them 3 times.
Really? They're
And
so tiny.
on the side that the trail will be on
Yeah,
when you're
the
walking down through.
Okay.
Oh man.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
We appreciate it. The birders are so happy to tell other birders what they've seen.
My conclusion is this. Kate and I are now 65 years old. Our mission now is to go find baby ducks. Baby model ducks. What's a model duck? No, she's back there now. She stopped talking because she's back there. Let's find out. think we have a mission accomplished here. We just got the gray-headed swamp hen. Kate's pretty fired up right now. Let's check in with her. Kate, how are you feeling? This is an epic day.
This is an epic birding day. This is the most successful birding that we have ever done. What's that?
We did. Just found the swamp in.
All right, Nate, that's a glossy ibis soaring ahead. There's so many things. Ooh, and the red-winged blackbird.
A good day in nature is what that was.